In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pixel code to Shopify manually. This process may seem a bit technical, but don't worry, I'll guide you through each step clearly and provide you with some tips along the way to make it as easy as possible. First things first, we need to get into your Shopify account. Start by navigating to the Shopify website. On the homepage, you'll find the login link. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your email address. After you've input your email, you'll then need to enter your password. Once you've filled in your credentials correctly, click on the login button to access your Shopify admin area. Now that you're logged in, we'll take a step into the heart of your Shopify store's appearance, the themes section. To get there, look for the My Store option. Then from there, you will see a navigation menu that includes themes. Clicking on themes will take you to a page where you can manage and customize the look and feel of your online store. Once you're in the themes section, the next step is to dive into the code of your current theme. To do that, find the button labeled Edit Code. This is where you'll be making the changes necessary to add your pixel code, so make sure you're cautious and follow along closely. After clicking Edit Code, you'll be brought to the editor where all the magic happens. Now it's time to find the right file to input the pixel code. In the editor, there's a file called theme.liquid. This is the file that essentially controls the overall HTML layout of your Shopify store. You'll want to click to open this file. Once you're in the theme.liquid file, you need to decide the best place to paste your pixel code. Typically, pixel codes are best placed within the tags of your HTML to ensure they load correctly on every page of your website. Scroll through the code until you find the opening and closing tags. Now it's time to insert your pixel code. Paste your code right before the closing tag. Placing it here ensures that the pixel will load early on as your page loads, which is what you want for accurate tracking. Before you proceed, take a moment to review the code you just pasted. It's crucial to ensure that everything is correctly formatted and that no existing code has been accidentally altered or removed. Even a small mistake in the code can have significant effects on your site's functionality, so it's better to be safe than sorry. Once you're confident that the pixel code is correctly added, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is usually located in the top right corner of the code editor. Clicking this will apply the modifications you've made to your live website. After saving, it's wise to test everything to ensure your pixel is working as intended. You can do this by visiting your site, performing some actions typical of what you're tracking, and then checking the pixel's dashboard to see if the actions are being recorded correctly. Adding a pixel code to your Shopify store manually might seem intimidating at first, especially if you're not familiar with HTML or coding in general. But with careful attention and by following these steps, you can successfully implement the tracking you need for your site. Remember, the accuracy of your pixel data is crucial for making informed decisions that can help optimize your website's performance and your marketing strategies. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to add a pixel code to your Shopify site manually. By now, you should feel confident in navigating the Shopify backend and editing your themes code to enhance your store's capabilities. Always remember to keep a backup of your original theme code before making any changes, just in case you need to revert back to the original settings. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Happy coding!